Hi! In front of me is REALME GT 2 and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner on this REALME. You need to begin by accessing Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Apps section. In it, tap on App Cloner over here and tap on one of your available apps that you wish to clone, in my case Facebook. Now to clone your app, click on this gray sweater next to Create App Clone and wait. You can also adjust those two options below it. You can rename your app and save your name by tapping on Save in the pop-up. And also tap on the best option for you after selecting when using quick functions. In my case, open main app. So now when I go back, as you can see, my Facebook app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete your app, go into the same settings and tap on this no blue sweater next to Create App Clone. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!